In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Wealthfront Cash Account 2025. Full guide. First, open your web browser and search for Wealthfront. From the results, select the official website. A quick tip: look for the secure padlock in the address bar and make sure the URL is correct before you proceed. On the home page, scroll until you see the option that says Start Saving with $1 and click it. This takes you into the sign-up flow. You'll be asked who the cash account is for. Choose the option that fits your situation, such as just for you or another eligible arrangement. Next, enter your first and last name exactly as they appear on your government ID so verification goes smoothly, then click Continue. Enter the email address you want to use for this account and create a strong, unique password. Consider using a password manager and avoid reusing passwords across services. Click Continue to move ahead. You'll then be prompted for your mobile number so the service can send security codes and account alerts. Enter your number, click Next, and complete any quick verification, like entering a code sent to your phone. From here, follow the on-screen sign-up flow. The app will guide you through setting up your profile and confirming details. You'll see an eligibility check to ensure you meet requirements, which typically include being of legal age and meeting location and regulatory standards. If anything isn't clear, use the help prompts within the flow. Next, complete identity verification. Be prepared to confirm your information and, if requested, upload a clear photo of a government-issued ID. Make sure your lighting is good and the details on your ID are readable to avoid delays. Now it's time to link a bank account. You can usually connect instantly through a secure portal by signing into your bank, or choose a manual option that uses small test deposits. Pick the method you prefer and follow the instructions on screen. With your bank linked, fund the cash account. There's a $1 minimum to activate the account. Choose ACH transfer or another supported funding method, select the amount, and confirm. ACH transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days, though timelines can vary. Before wrapping up, review your details, acknowledge the required disclosures, and confirm. You should receive a confirmation on screen and via email. Once your funds arrive, your Wealthfront Cash account is active and ready to use. For better security, enable two-factor authentication and consider setting up recurring transfers to build your balance automatically.